Hey, what's up guys? Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to make putty out of slime. I mean, slime out of putty. Yeah. So what you want is this. I thingy. A cap. You want your putty. Mine smells good. In it. Open this. You only want 2 big drops. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Then what you want to do is make those all roll around from each side, okay? And then grab it. I am sick a little bit, so keep on grabbing. Or you can, what you can do is open it. That's enough. As you can see, it dropped a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but okay, I'm gonna move this up a little. Okay. Then you want to grab your slime. Mine is already slime because I did this. Okay, and then you want to push it in there. Each side. Every side. From top to bottom. And then neat. Even if it gets your hands nasty, sticky, and wet. But do not mix putty with normal slime. I will show you what happened to mine. This is what happened to mine. It's still stretchy, but very stretchy, very cold and stretchy because I haven't been playing with it. But does not stick to anything. And breaks. So what I like doing, and I do not have no more glue left, so yeah. So what I like doing is this. Just rubbing it. Making it. Or what I do is this. Dump in a container. Just 2 strips. Not much. Just strips. Do that. Get it in there. Wasted it. Now let's get back to that. As you can see, you let it sit for a little. It's already slimy. Breaks a lot. But can work for stuff, see? It breaks. But very stretchy stuff. Poppy. And so if you want to see more slime or other things, comment down below. Like, subscribe, and go check out my other channel, Panda Lover 246. Like, subscribe. If you want me to do anything on here, comment down below on that. And please like and subscribe on this thing. And on my other channel, all I'm asking for is 10 likes. 10 subscribes. And on this channel, 10 subscribes. And comment down on asking for on this channel, on this video, 3 likes, 3 views, and yeah. And on my other videos on my other channel, the same thing. I want the videos. I don't really care what video, but please like and subscribe this video. Okay. And please share. So, bye.